Activities are a powerful way to categorize your trips based on the type of adventure they offer, like hiking, rafting, or city tours. This helps your travelers quickly find the specific experiences they are looking for. Each activity shows a featured image, the activity name, and the number of trips available. When a traveler clicks an activity, they can see all the related trip packages. Let's set this up for your site. To display this grid, you need a page with the correct settings. If you are using one of our official WP Travel Engine themes, an activities page is usually already created for you. Simply go to Pages, then All Pages to find it. If you don't have one, click Add New and title it Activities, and add a short description. First, check the template setting in the right-hand sidebar. Under the Page tab, ensure you have selected Activities Template. This tells the system to generate the automated grid layout. Next, you must set a featured image for this page. This image acts as the large header banner at the top of your activities page on the front end. Choose a high-quality landscape photo that represents your brand. Once done, click Update or Publish. Then, click View Page to see your changes live. As you can see here, the featured image you set appears as this large, full-width banner at the top of the activities page. Now, let's define the specific activity categories that will appear in your grid. Go to Trips in your dashboard and click on Activities. On the left, you can add a new activity. First, enter the name, such as trekking or skiing. The slug will be created automatically based on the name. Next, if you want to create a hierarchy, you can assign a parent activity, for example, making trekking a subcategory under hiking. Otherwise, you can leave it as none. You can skip the description field, as it shows according to themes. Then, use the Image section to upload a thumbnail. This is the specific image that appears inside the grid box for this activity. After that, add a short description. Once you are done, click Add New Activities. On the right side of the screen, you can manage your existing activities and see exactly how many trips are assigned to each one. You can also edit or delete any activity from here. Once you've created an activity, click View. As you can see, the trekking page is live, but it currently shows no results found because we haven't assigned any trips to it yet. So let's do that now. The final step is to link your trips to these activities. Open any trip by going to Trips and clicking Edit. On the right-hand sidebar, scroll down to the Activities meta box. Simply check the boxes for all activities that apply to this trip here. We are assigning our trip to the trekking activity we just created. After you hit Save, the trip count on your main activities page will automatically update. You can follow the same process to assign any of your other trips to their relevant activities. Now, if we go back and view the trekking page on the front end, you can see it is no longer empty. The trips we assigned are now showing up perfectly in the results. By organizing your trips into activities, you make your website much more user-friendly, helping travelers book their dream adventure with ease. If you have any questions, visit our documentation or reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching and happy booking!